We definitely saw a lot of cool phones here at MWC 2018, but this has to be one of the best. Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Vivo Apex. Now, just as a disclaimer, this is a concept phone, so it may not reach any other markets besides China. The most unbelievable thing about the Apex is its design. It's premium, solid, and it's 99% bezel-less. Seriously, there's barely any bezel with this. You look at it versus other phones, and it is pretty much dominated by just a screen. And speaking of that screen, it looks gorgeous. It's sharp, exceptional viewing angles, and the thing about it, it has a very peculiar color reproduction. It really stands out, captures your attention. So at first glance, the design might take priority, but this phone is also notable for its in-screen fingerprint scanner. We saw the same exact technology back at CES, and it's also implemented here with the Vivo Apex. There's no fingerprint sensor on the back or below display. It's all in screen. And from what we checked out, it's pretty responsive and accurate. We managed to set it up, and on top of just using a single fingerprint, you also have the option of doing two. Now, you can do some interesting things with this type of dual fingerprint setup. So for example, you're going to have one that's tied to you and a second one to another. So in order to actually open up the phone, you're going to need both people. But obviously, that's just one scenario. And the last neat thing about the Vivo Apex is that it has a retractable front-facing selfie camera. With the nearly bezel-less design, of course, it means they had to put the front-facing camera somewhere. On some phones, you see a notch, but with this, it actually extends out from the phone. I don't know why, but it is definitely hypnotic. You press the button, it comes out, and when you're done, it goes back in, and it's all mechanical, so it's really cool. As far as the experience is concerned, it's running Android, but you can definitely tell it's an iOS ripoff because it's pretty minimalist. You have just all the icons on the home screen, and that's about it. We have to admit, this is probably one of the cooler phones we checked out at Mobile World Congress, and even though it is a concept phone, it's going to be cool because we might see these type of technologies in future devices very soon. It definitely makes us optimistic about seeing other phones implement something very similar. And that's about it, guys. If you want to learn more about the Vivo Apex, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.